The new Android flagships now come with Ultra HDR photos, letting you capture more intense color and lighting details. Now Instagram is making use of this feature in its in-app camera. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to tech place. Instagram is bringing some new changes that'll be better supportive of the Ultra HDR format introduced with Android 14 in 2023. This means Instagram users can achieve the same lifelike vibrancy while using the in-app camera as their device's native camera app. Meta will also support Android's night sight feature for low-light captures and video stabilization. Instagram users have long complained about its inconsistent HDR uploads from Android devices, and Google claims that people should see some improvements there too. Google said that they have optimized the capture to upload pipeline to ensure your photos and videos remain stunningly sharp when you hit post. The company said that its own test carried out by an AI model confirmed that video captured and uploaded to Instagram from Android flagship devices scores the same or better than the leading competitor. Meta's bringing other perks for Android users as well, including an Instagram app for Android tablets. It looks similar to the iPad app the company released last fall, but it's nice to see a version of Instagram that's actually optimized for larger displays. Instagram's CapCut-like editing app Edits is getting some Android-specific upgrades as well. The changes include AI-powered upscaling and sound separation, which allows creators to isolate and remove specific sounds from their recordings. These all were announced during Google's I/O edition of the Android show, which offered a look at some of the biggest updates coming to the platform ahead of the company's annual developer conference, whereas Android 17 is expected to roll out later this year. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.